Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you about masculine gender and the feminine gender. Children, do you remember in our previous video we have already studied about the gender. And do you know children how many types of gender? Yes, there are two types of gender, masculine gender and the feminine gender. And today we will write some examples in our copy. Now open your copy and write with me. Children, in the first you will draw the line on the center of the page like this and make two columns. In one column you will write masculine, masculine, and in another column you will write feminine, femine, feminine. You will write two headings. In one column you will write masculine and in another column you will write feminine. Now children, you will write some examples of masculine gender and the feminine gender. Number one is father. Here you will write the spelling of father, Father, father. And the feminine gender of father is mother, Mother, mother. Second one is brother, Brother, brother. And here you will write sister, Sister, sister. And the third one is man, woman, man, woman, woman. And the fourth one is boy, girl, boy, girl, girl. And the fifth one is king, King, king. Queen, king, queen, queen, king, queen. And the sixth one is prince, 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 princess, prince, princess, Princes, princess. Number seven is uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt. And the spelling of aunt is A-U-N-T, aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. And the eighth one is lion, L-I-O-N, lion. And the feminine gender is lioness, Lioness, lioness. Number nine is tiger, Tiger, tiger. And the feminine gender of tiger is tigress, Tigres, tiger. Number 10 is cock, Cock, cock. Cock, hen, hen, hen. And the 11th one is horse, 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 mare, horse, mare, Mare, mare. And the 12th one is bull, cow, bull, Bull, bull. And the feminine gender of bull is cow, Cow, cow. Now children, read it again with me. Father, mother, father, mother, brother, sister, brother, sister, man, woman, man, woman, boy, girl, boy, girl, king, queen, king, queen, prince, princess, prince, princess, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, lion, lioness, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, tiger, tigress, cock, hen, cock, hen, horse, mare, horse, mare, bull, cow, bull, cow. I hope children you will learn these masculine and feminine at home by watching this video again and again. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.